What's on your mind, Chloe? Hey guys! So for today's episode of Vlogmas, we are going to be doing something super festive because I know this holiday season is a lot different. So we are going to be having the great bake off. I am going to be baking and decorating cookies, and then my special guest, who does not want to be seen, but they will be decorating some cookies as well, and you guys are gonna judge who decorated the best cookies. So let me get my ingredients. Now I know you guys are used to me being like the queen of making everything from scratch, but it's been a long month. Your girl's tired, okay? So I will be using good old regular, was it upside down? Pillsbury sugar cookie dough. And I need my little cookie cutters. Let's see. Wow. Okay, so these are our cookie cutters. I'm going to get Chloe's cookie cutter as well. So if you guys have ever seen any vlogs about Chloe's birthday, I did get a customized Chloe cookie cutter from Etsy. All you have to do is type custom dog treat biscuit cookie cutter, anything like that. So it has been a long time since I have made cookies for Christmas because now I bake cakes. So let's see, the oven is already heated. You can eat this raw. Good, because raw cookie dough and raw cake batter is honestly my favorite. Does anyone else like the batter from cookies, brownies, and like raw cookie dough? I am a cookie dough girl, okay? You cut them out, place 2 inches apart. I do have some parchment paper. So it looks like somebody has thrown away my large cookie sheets, so we're gonna be putting them on this. But let's get this started. So let me show you guys the shapes of cookies that we have. Gingerbread man, I know you know what that is, baby, because of your advent calendar. Teddy bear, the belle of the ball, angel, a heart, a bigger heart for a lot of love, Christmas tree, Santa baby, a baby heart, a mouse. Does anybody remember the book, like, it was like this little book about a mouse cooking, or like mouse cookies. I remember they had it at the book fair when I was a kid and my mom got it for me. So that's how we have mouse. We also have a snowman, another heart, and Chloe's biscuit. Now I also have icing, sprinkles, and gel writing icing for decorating. So let's get these cookies going. I do want to say we are not eating all of these cookies, so you guys know that I'm on keto right now, but it's also the hardest year of life, and it's also the holiday season. So yes, your girl will be eating some cookies. I'm sure each of you are having some of your special favorite holiday treats this holiday season also. I would be a fool not to be eating holiday treats. I'm gonna use a little measuring cup. So like I was saying, I am going to be eating some of these cookies. Actually, my whole family will be, and my cousins, because I will be going to spend Christmas Day with some cousins. But I'm also going to be giving these cookies to the people at my post office because I go ship orders maybe 13 days out of the month. Also, my FedEx, UPS, and Amazon delivery people. During this year, online shopping for me has been at an all-time high, so I just want to give a huge shout out to any of you who are working at the post office, FedEx, UPS, DHL, Amazon, anything like that. I know that you guys are so needed right now, but you're also probably very overworked, so we appreciate you, I appreciate you, and so this is just also a little token of my appreciation for all of my delivery people, because honey, I gave my Amazon drivers a run for their money this year. I'm gonna insert on the screen, I think the last time I looked, I had made like 80 orders on Amazon. I know, it's kind of embarrassing. But yeah, I just want to give back a little to the people who have helped to make my 2020 a little easier. Part of the reason why I am able to stay at home as much as I do is because I order a ton of things online to just make life a little easier, but it wouldn't be possible without the amazing, super selfless and giving people who sacrifice their lives pretty much to make sure that we have what we need. So definitely gotta give a shout out to them. So I am going to make my cookie forms. After I finish baking them, my special guests will be here to help decorate and do the bake off, which I can't wait. I can't wait to see what these cookie designs are gonna be. Alexa, play Mariah Carey Christmas music.
The playlist Festive Mariah Carey Holiday on Amazon Music.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. I don't care. Yes, I do. Let's be real. Underneath the Christmas tree.
Then how the reindeer loved it as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Alexa, pause. You guys, this actually makes me think back to when I was a child. Here's some dough. And my mother would bake cookies with us for Christmas. We usually made sugar cookies and snowball cookies, which if I can find a recipe, I'll link it down below. They're like coconut shortbread cookies, I believe. So good. Or maybe they don't have coconut. It's some type of shortbread cookie with powdered sugar on top. So I'm just gonna keep baking cookies until I run out of dough. Chloe's over here with me. She thinks she's getting a cookie. I'll give her one when they're baked. Chloe Monster cookies. My baby has to be included. Did you guys have any traditions when you were like children? I know that was one of the questions somebody asked me a few vlogs back. We didn't really have too many traditions. We would always make sugar cookies and snowball cookies. My mom usually would make a cake or a cheesecake. I get my love of baking from her. We always have Japanese food on Christmas because that was my Japanese grandmother's birthday. We used to open one gift on Christmas Eve, but now that I'm grown and old and I basically don't get any presents except for like, so yeah. Those are pretty much our, sprinkle. Those are pretty much our Christmas traditions. We also usually watch a Christmas movie on Christmas Eve, but I've always loved Christmas, so believe me, I'm just as happy in my 30s experiencing Christmas as I was as a child. Now, of course, not this year, because this year is just, I can't believe it's almost Christmas, first of all. But yeah, I haven't really done anything besides this that like reminds me of how Christmas used to be. I'm excited I did this. I'm gonna finish listening to little Mariah Carey. That's who I was listening to. Did you guys notice I have on my Christmas pajamas? If you guys have been watching my channel for years, I think I wore these maybe the first year I did Vlogmas. That's another tradition. We used to get pajamas, new pajamas every Christmas. And now I just buy my own because as an adult now, I love loungewear. But But yeah, leave down below any Christmas traditions you guys have. I would love to know. I'm gonna finish making these cookies. I'll be back. Alexa, play.
You would even say it close. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. In one foggy Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Ain't nothing like being alone at Christmas.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you ride my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph.
Okay, you guys, it's 10 o'clock and we are falling asleep. So, special guest. I figure we decorate half. Let me count. 2, 4, 6. So, let's each get 16. We're each gonna get 16 cookies to decorate. And you guys are going to tell us in tomorrow's vlog who won. Now, how many minutes should we get? 16 minutes? Too long? 10 minutes? What about 8? Okay, and we'll get 8 minutes to decorate the cookies and you guys will decide tomorrow whose cookies are the best. Keikobeauty plus special guest bake-off competition starts now. Okay, special guest. So they've spread out. Their hips have spread. So we're gonna have to move you guys off the icing container one moment. Rainbow sprinkles, green sugar sprinkles, and red sugar sprinkles. Plus we have icing and we have writing gel icing. Okay, ready, set, go!
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game.
Whew, it's hard work. That messed up my hair. Oh my god. I think my hair is okay. Look, I can clean up this floor later. Well, we get an extra minute. Whew, this is ridiculous. Well, it wouldn't be a Keikobeauty occasion if something didn't go wrong. These look shitty. So we had an extra minute because I spit out all my water and made a mess. So I only got through 2, 4, 6, 7 cookies. The special guest is still decorating, but let me show you guys the cookies that I got around to decorating. Now don't laugh at my cookies because I'm a baker, but I'm not a decorator. So this is Mr. Snowman. This is the belle of the ball. That's a little mouse. He has on red nail polish, hashtag DND 440 Ferrari red. This is, I don't know what that's supposed to be, but it looks like a beluga whale at the Georgia Aquarium. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know what happened. We'll pray for him. That's a cute little heart. That actually looks the best. This is a little Christmas tree, chroma tree. And dun 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 da, a KB for Keikobeauty. So yeah, guys, those are the cookies that I decorated. This was super hard. We have all those that are bare. And all these that are bare. So I guess the people who come to drop off packages will get bare cookies. Okay, so you got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Christmas miracle. Oh my gosh. We have Hope Baby cookies. So, who do you think won this holiday bake-off? Is it Team Baby or Team Keikobeauty? So, let me know down below, hashtag Team Keikobeauty or hashtag Team Baby. This was ridiculous, but thankfully we have so many cookies that aren't iced. Chloe's little cookie turned out marvelous. You can have one tomorrow, baby. You already had your treat, okay? She is not happy. I'm sorry. This was ridiculous. Let me know down below who you thought won. I will put up pictures at the end. Thanks for rocking with us. Don't forget to hashtag Team Keikobeauty or hashtag baby. I love you guys for watching. Happy Vlogmas. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.